Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to transfer money from Emirates NBD to other bank. So guys, all you have to do, open NBD application, log into your account, and after that guys, what you have to do, access to local transfer, as you can see here, this option. And after that guys, what you have to do, select a local transfer, pay and local transfer. After that guys, all you have to do, add the beneficiary, enter your IB and click next and choose the amount you want to transfer. And after that guys, verify details and need SL to confirm and enter your smart pass to confirm transaction. For existing beneficiary, tap local transfer and choose recipient from the list, enter the amount and click next, review the details and add any remarks and slide and confirm the smart pass, and your request will be completed. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like and share this video for more content, and see another video soon. Any question guys down below in the comments and I will answer your question.